This 2024 Newmar Canyon Star 3947 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 39 feet 11 inches in length and features two slideouts, a Sherbrooke Decor, Glacie Glazed Maple Hardwood-MF interior, Sleeps 9, Colorado Detector, air conditioning, slideout, awning, refrigerator, leveling jacks, external shower, stove top burner, TV antenna, smoke detector, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, two entry, exit doors. This 2024 Newmar Canyon Star 3947 and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.